Hello and welcome to Ajayasthro Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, we bring you an insightful update on the cotton market in India. In recent developments, a pest attack in northern India has led farmers to reduce cotton sowing. However, experts suggest that India will not lose significant cotton bales in the marketing year 2024-25. This is because an increase in cotton acreage in southern regions such as Telangana, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh is anticipated to compensate for the losses. Leading cotton-producing states in northern India, including Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan, are expected to see a decline in cotton output. Farmers in these regions have significantly reduced their cotton acreage in response to pest infestations, particularly the pink bollworm. Gujarat is also expected to experience a sharp decrease in cotton planting. As of July 22, cotton was planted on 102.05 lakh hectares across the country, down from 105.66 lakh hectares during the same period last year. The normal area under cotton is 129 lakh hectares. This reduction is primarily due to lower plantings in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Punjab. In Gujarat, the cotton acreage has dropped to 20.98 lakh hectares from 25.39 lakh hectares last year. Rajasthan's acreage decreased to 4.94 lakh hectares from 7.73 lakh hectares, and Punjab's area halved to 1 lakh hectares from 2.14 lakh hectares. Haryana's cotton acreage also fell to 4.76 lakh hectares from 6.65 lakh hectares. In contrast, Karnataka has seen an increase in cotton area to 6.09 lakh hectares as of July 22, up from 2.44 lakh hectares last year, aided by the timely and widespread monsoon. Telangana's cotton acreage increased to 15.22 lakh hectares from 14.13 lakh hectares, and Andhra Pradesh's area rose to 1.60 lakh hectares from 1.32 lakh hectares. Maharashtra, which has the largest area under cotton, also saw an increase to 39.69 lakh hectares from 38.33 lakh hectares last year. An executive from a leading pesticide maker noted the shift in sowing patterns, with the decline in northern India's cotton area being offset by increased sowing in the south. An expert from a southern trade body confirmed that sowing has been favorable in Karnataka, Telangana, and Maharashtra, supported by good rainfall. However, despite the positive planting conditions, market prices have followed global trends amidst muted demand. A Jodhpur-based trade representative highlighted efforts to tackle pink bollworm infestations and described the cotton crop condition in Andhra Pradesh, Marathwada, and Gujarat as under severe moisture stress, stunted, and vulnerable to pests and diseases. Overall, the next season's cotton production is expected to be lower, which will widen the demand-supply gap and adversely affect the textile industry and raw cotton exports. Thank you for joining us on Ajayasthro Guru. Stay tuned for more updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.